Okay, got on a different boots. We're gonna go get lumber from this like really cool old-timey co-op. It's pretty unique. So we're gonna go pick up the lumber for the fencing, for the corral, for the baby cow. So do some stretches before you go and pick up the lumber. You know, just go ahead and throw that leg right up there and just let them glutes melt with gravity. I built a chicken coop and I didn't do all of my stretches that I thought about because, like, who thinks about chicken coop stretches? I do. Lumber stretches. Before you go get your lumber, throw your whole leg up on a countertop. It's pretty nice. Just leg it up.